Just a dream. I am weird? Well, I guess. I'm mailing you one first station. Wow! Is it so? I'm alive! Yay! Your congratulations! You're in and home. Wow, because I'm bored. Hey guys, can you get the MI lunch right here? You get up here, mine, please. They get you bar chocolate. I don't want to beat you. Hey you, get in one of the chocolate bars.
Chocolate bars? You know what I gotta eat, you guys? I wanna you get a watch.
Hey man, can you get a chocolate bars?
Yeah, thank you. Can you like and like it? And B-box space.
It's my happy day, I want to sing it all the day. My best friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we love, we are happy every day. Have fun with us, let's say happy, 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 happy. Happy, 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 happy. It's my happy day, I want to sing it all the day. My best friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we love, we are happy every day. Have fun with us, let's say happy, 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 happy.
Use for you manner. My comments are below and enjoy the barrel and fever and man and October
3-1-T-H.
Hey man, can you get him on my play?
Nah,
You get it, Josh. Do you do it?